Hey everyone, I'm Sarah, and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to install or update to Winlator 3.2 Emulator on any Android phone. Let's start the video. But wait a minute.
Now, before starting the video, I would like to talk about the sponsor of this video, KeysFan. KeysFan offers cheap and legal OEM software keys in an easy way. You can activate software such as Windows and Microsoft Office in a fast and reliable way with these keys that are 100% official and suitable for online activation. Moreover, they offer lifetime after-sales support in addition to 24/7 customer support. Don't miss KeysFan Mega Discount if you are interested. You can check the links in the description. Add the product you need to your cart and catch 50% discount for Windows series with RTG 50 and 62% discount for Microsoft Office and bundle with RTG 62. Don't forget to check the descriptions for details.
So this is the official GitHub page. Just scroll down, you will find Releases. Option, select it. Now again on Releases, you will find Winlator APK file. Download the files. After that, install APK. Open Winlator. This time, the OBB can be installed on app itself. Now here, you need to set up the container. Simply on above, select Add Icon. Here, give a container name. Select your favorable screen resolution. As we know, lower resolution gives better performance. Select Graphic Driver. As if your phone is Snapdragon, choose Turnip plus Zinc. If others like MediaTek or Exynos, choose Virgil Driver. Now here, choose DX Wrapper. For Adreno, choose DX VK version. And for Mali GPU, choose Wine 3D. Here, choose Audio Driver as ALSA. Select FPS meter. Select all cores or some devices 4 are enough. Here in registry keys, choose GPU as GDX 1070. Choose max video memory. Leave the remaining settings as default. Here in DX components, choose Direct 3D as Wine. Direct Sound is native Windows. Leave the remaining settings as default. Here in Additional Advanced Settings, enable Stop Services on Startup. Now create container. Now go to Input Controls. Here you can even import key layout or export. Simply select RTS Profile. Go to Controls Editor. Here you can customize layout based on you play. Now get back. Now go to Winlator settings. Here choose box 8/6 and 64 versions as compatibility. Choose Turnip version based on your phone's Adreno GPU, especially for 6 and 7 series. Now get back. Start Winlator. Now go to Start, System Tools, choose Wine Configuration. Choose Windows 10 version for better compatibility and support. For oldest titles, always prefer Windows 7. So these are the native DirectX drivers that are already pre-installed. Leave the other configuration settings as default. And yeah, you can also change system theme and other stuff. Apply and OK. But how do you install games? Well, you need to import your favorite games from your PC or from others. Because the native installation takes a lot more time, even it may crash. So try to copy from any other source to your phone's storage onto Download folder of your phone. so that you can directly start execution easily. Well, here, when you press back, here you will find some options. Like you can set input keyboard, game controls as we created in the beginning. You can even access to Task Manager from here itself while you run something. So anyways, that's it for today's video, guys. So please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, check out links in description. Thank you, guys. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.